Welcome to the HAL APS channel. In this video I will demonstrate how to add a BOM. Select BOM in the menu and click Add. Let's define a railway wheel set with the N13715 profile. Generally, information about BOMs is transferred from the ERP, PLM or PDM system. Give your BOM a name, describe the variant and inform HAL from when the new revision is to be effective. Then click the Save button. HAL APS allows you to define flat and multi-level hierarchical BOMs and recipes. It is interested in information about the BOM 100% coming from SBOM, SuperBOM, BOM or e-bom. If the BOM concerns a structure or assembly, you can supplement it with a drawing. Let's inform HAL about what is needed to produce a given item. In our case, the wheelset consists of 2 wheels and 1 axle. Both the wheels and the axle, as semi-finished products, need materials from which they will be made. In the case of DDMRP, a disconnection point may appear in the BOM, as part of strategic inventory positioning. Consumption may also be constant. Substitutes can be placed in the BOM. Don't forget to activate the BOM. For more information on HAL APS, including our list pricing, please visit the HAL APS web page. If you're looking to learn more about using HAL APS, our YouTube channel offers a vast selection of tutorial videos.